At your local True Value, finding someone to help you isn't a problem. Something that just can't be said of those enormous hardware warehouses.
Find them, boys!
This month at True Value, a twin pack of Red Devil Lifetime caulk is just $1.99, and our True Test True Seal waterproofing is just $4.98 a gallon. True Value. Help is just around the corner.
NBC's Sunday Night Movie will return following these messages.
Now, the Martin Short press conference continues.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Grady, McLean, Cleveland, Oklahoma, and Canadian County. This warning will be effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado has been spotted along I-35 southwest of Bridge Creek, Oklahoma. Find shelter immediately.
Fresh baked bread, piled with extra lean, juicy ham. Oven roasted turkey breast, topped with the classic taste of...
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon?
But of course.
Introducing Subway's new Turkey and Ham Dijon. Turkey, ham, and the great taste of Grey Poupon mustard, now for a limited time on your choice of rolls. At Subway, the place where fresh is the taste.
One of the ways Ryder makes your move easier is by renting trucks with automatic transmission. Because moving doesn't have to be an uphill battle. Ryder.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for the Oklahoma City Metro, including Oklahoma City, Moore, Norman, and Tuttle. A large and strong tornado has been spotted along I-35 heading for Oklahoma City and the Metro. If you are in the path, find shelter immediately. I repeat, find shelter immediately. Your life is in danger. Well-built homes will be swept up and mobile homes will be taken. Do not try to flee the tornado. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path, take cover immediately. Do not hesitate.